beauty of the objects and the juxtaposition of styles, colors and materials was so great. Doña Yolanda didn't go ever for the safe. She loved the unique. The whole mixture of the house was fantastic because you would arrive into this double height ceiling entrance that was more befitting to an English Adams house. Not only you get into this wonderful atrium of a staircase, but then you took a left and they had this wonderful corridor full of red colors and trophies, and you would turn right and you would find the most incredible swimming pool with mosaics underneath. It was simply fabulous. Doña Yolanda Eleta was a fascinating character that enlightened the city of Madrid from the mid-1950s onwards, when she arrived marrying a scion of the Fierro family. So these two wonderful characters created the most wonderful family, each one of them bringing to the table their very marked upbringing. She came from Panama and she traveled with her parents very early on in her life, and she kept on traveling for the rest of her life. She loved seeing big cities, new cities, houses, how people lived, and all this is reflected in the way she decorated her homes. She brought with herself this worldliness, this tropical passion for color and movement that was not the norm in a much austere society in Spain during the period. It is uncanny to see how Doña Yolanda's jewelry collection is, in jewels, a representation of her house. They were exquisite, the best quality stones set by the most important jewelry makers in the world. She followed with the artisans and the designers of those jewelry houses the creation of the things that she was going to later wear in her house. There was nothing left to chance. She had the appropriate jewel for every part of the day. If I had to pick one, it would be this marvelous pair of emerald and diamond earrings that were created by Jacques Timet. The quality of the stones, the size of the stones, the material, they're gems. In those days, it used to be the custom that when you wore one color, you would have normally the whole parure to go with. And Doña Yolanda also has a fantastic necklace, a diamond and emerald necklace of the highest quality. The big diamond ring was incontournable, and for that, Doña Yolanda, of course, could not have chosen a better jeweler. She went straight to Cartier in Paris. Her sharp connoisseur's eye played a pivotal part in the decorations of the house, the objects and the beautiful jewelry she collected. Although we look at the jewelry now and it still seems very contemporary, she was ahead of her time. She was a chevron, creating a style and wearing styles that were not fashionable then, that now when we look back, they represent that era. Doña Yolanda was a tastemaker.